guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Olive. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Tap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low in the olives. Well, it's Travis Scott collaboration, and we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a US 10 women's. So before we get into the review, I just want to say that a big shout out to Jordan Brands for listening to everyone, women especially, because for the longest time women have not had the greatest colorways when it comes to sneakers, and these olives very sought after. I mean, obviously, we wanted a pair. Everyone wanted a pair. They sold out. These was only sold in women's sizes. I believe they only went up to a UK size 10. Don't hold me to that. I'm not 100% sure. Because thankfully, I fall under the category of the universal size of UK 7.5, which women also are as well. So we were able to get this, and it's a very, like I said, very sought after because it's a collaboration between Travis Scott and Jordan Brand, and we've done I'd say tons, but we've done some Travis Scott Jordan reviews, Travis Scott Nike reviews, so do check those reviews out if you get a second. But we got the latest iteration, we got the olive colorway, and in my opinion, I think this is the best colorway since the fragment lows. To me, the fragment lows are still the best. I think those are the best sneakers. Unfortunately, I was never able to get there. We have done the highs, so do check that out. But these olive lows are beautiful, and even look at the box reflects it as well. It's in this pale olive colorway, and you've got that here dark green instead of your traditional colors of black and red. Here's the packaging. So I like a lot of the Cactus Jack, Nike Air Jordan products. They've got the same wrapping paper, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, Jordan ones always come unlaced, so we did cheat and lace this beforehand. But we do it for this sake. I think it looks better this way anyway, and you guys want to see what it looks like laced up anyway, so I'd like to think I'm doing you guys a favor. And anyway, here they are. Very beautiful colorway right here. I love how the green, it just matches. And when you think of cactuses, the green anyway. Anyway, let's get into it. Starting with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Again, as a lot of Air Jordan 1s, this is the best traction on a basketball shoe, or Jordan even. However, you've got your traditional Air Jordan 1 patterning here, Nike logo in the middle. Essentially, it's a rubber cup sole making the midsole unit all around encompassed. You got an air unit right there at the back, and with it being an Air Jordan 1 silhouette, obviously it is the low version. It's the low version of the Air Jordan 1 silhouette. That's what I'm trying to say. So you don't have the ankle support, and personally I think it's better as a low. I'm not gonna lie, controversial that may seem, but in my opinion, I think the lows are better than the highs. I know that you guys are gonna kill me for that, but I can have an opinion, and that's mine. I'm making the surrounding, just the upper of the sneaker. So you've got all around, it's like a nubuck. So all that black nubuck hits right there, so you can see the toe box. And the white outlays here, it feels like it's just normal leather. It's not the plushiest leather, in my opinion. I thought it's decent. Now, one thing that does annoy me are the laces. So I think they put some wax on it. There's some treatment on it. It's not the greatest feel. I prefer your traditional nylon. like string laces. That's my personal opinion. I think a lot of you guys, if you were able to get a pair, you'd agree with me. The tongue, so you got your Nike Air logo right there, and just on the side you got the Cactus Jack as well. Now, I'm a bit annoyed. I don't think I've ever edited this out in public, but I don't like the fact that Travis Scott is using the name Cactus Jack, because there's only one Cactus Jack, and that's Mick Foley. But Mick Foley, I think, was cool to use it because he was used in the Air 270s. Well, he was used in a lot of the promos for Travis Scott's Nike shoes. I forget which one it was. I think it's the 270 or 720s. One of the two. Anyway, getting ahead of myself, and it won't be a Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 without the reverse swoosh on the lateral side. And it's in that, obviously given that nickname, the olive. So you can see it in this fresh olive swoosh. And just on the lateral, medial side, so on the medial side, you got it in the normal direction, and you got the Cactus Jack logo behind it also. Looking at the insole, so if you look at the insole, you got the Cactus Jack logo and 23 on the right pair. See, it's just nothing to brag about. The insole is just a normal polyurethane insole, and you got the Jumpman logo on the left. And what I really like about the Cactus Jack collabs, Travis Scott collabs even, is that you got the Cactus Jack face, I guess, and the Wings logo on the lows. If you want to switch up the laces, you got a choice between red, olive, and black. If you don't like the white ones. And that rounds off my review. And I know I've said it earlier, but I do prefer the lows than the highs. That's just my personal opinion. And this is just a great cup to have, in my opinion. And it's great that Nike brand or Jordan brands are listening to the consumer and giving women out there just better colorways. And this is one of the hottest colorways out at the minute. If you're able to get a pair, let us know in the comment section below. I know how tough it was. I was able to get these. Here, so let's brand it off. Try these on for you and roll that footage. When it comes to the fit, guys, if you are able to get a pair of the Travis Scott Jordan lows, in olive, I suggest you get your true to size Nike fit or Jordan fit. I usually am a UK size 7.5, and those are the right sizing. Fits well, true to size, in my opinion. If you want a more snug fit, you can go half a size down, break it in, I guess, if you want. But no, these look really dope on. And for those wondering, I am wearing some Uniqlo cargo trousers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time guys, peace.